Crypto Aussie here from Bitcoin Mastery. How you doing? Market recap for Monday the 11th. Whew. Had a bit of blood over the weekend. As you can see, boom, China comes out with some more news, whether it's fake or real or what have you, and bam, the market reacts and sells off crazily. And what was it? It was like 4,675-ish, and then down to 3,972. Mega. So I've just done a bit of TA, and we'll have a look at what happened back at this previous high with this head and shoulders, just to give us some perspective. So we had this head and shoulders. I'll change the color in a moment. It went like that, right? Let's change the color so you guys can see it real quick. So what we did is we go, oh shit, it's gonna crash, maybe. So let me just get rid of that. So what we did is we took the neckline from here, the line from here to here to the neckline, and I click that. Then we grab that, and we go, wow, this is where it could go to. So, and sure enough, where did we go? We came all the way down here. So some nice TA there with their head and shoulders, bam. So what does that sort of mean for us now, which is important, right? So, you know, with the markets, it moves in these fractals and in these waves. So if we apply this same sort of head and shoulders idea to where we are now, doesn't look too good. So if we go like this, one shoulder, one head, one shoulder, like that, I've got another giant head and shoulders setting up, right? So what we do is we take the high to the neckline, like we did before, and we bring that sucker down to here to give a potential target, which I've already marked out, which is 3.3-ish. So long story short, guys, with this China stuff, the market is just not believing these price levels. Whether it's real or fake, it doesn't matter. The market's selling off, which tells me that the market's pretty fickle right now. I mean, we've had a good run. We've had an awesome run. 5,000, which is cool. So with that being said, what should we do now? So if we zoom out, we can see that we got this trend line running. Let's go to the 6 hours so we can see it when it loads. So because what normally happens is that the price will go back up and retest the neckline. So here we go. So we've got this trend line from way back here, which seems so long ago, but it's not really. I mean, August, beginning of August, running all the way here. So if we put a bit of Elliot on there, we can sort of see that we've made these, three waves up, or these three drives up, and now we're potentially in this complacency wave combined with a head and shoulders pattern. So what typically happens is the price will come back up and retest this neckline before it goes again. So here we are here. I mean, we had a good bounce today. I was looking at it because I'm in a couple of positions that I wouldn't mind getting out of. And it was running, like it ran to 383 right there. And it's just dropped off now, back down to this neckline again. So Long story short, the market doesn't look too good right now, and I was hoping for it to run back up and test this trend line before it does something like this. It starts to make its way down. Yeah, which would paint an Elliot correction wave, an A, a B, and a C, somewhere around here. So that's what I'm seeing in the market. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but Bitcoin just looks like it's had its day in the sun for the time being, and I think for a healthy market, you know, it needs to correct. It's like if we pull out to a 12-hour chart, even a one-day chart, I mean, it's been pretty parabolic, pretty steep. So I'm going to leave that with you guys. Be careful out there. Look for a bounce back up to test that trend line if we're lucky, and then maybe you know, we're going to come back down here and see these levels again. This is not financial advice, it's just my opinion. Stay tuned. I'll be back tomorrow. Until then, keep stacking it.